In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your email notification frequency in Trello. Managing email notifications effectively is crucial for staying on top of your tasks without feeling overwhelmed. Trello, a popular project management tool, allows you to customize how often you receive email updates about your boards and activities. In this tutorial, I'll guide you step by step on how to adjust your email notification frequency to suit your needs, whether you want updates instantly, periodically, or not at all. Let's dive in and get started. First, open your preferred web browser and navigate to Trello's website by typing www.trello.com into the address bar. Once the page loads, look to the top right corner of the homepage. Here, you'll see the Login button. Click on it to proceed. Next, you'll need to log into your Trello account. Enter the email address associated with your Trello account into the provided field. Or if you prefer, you can choose a single sign-on option like Google or Microsoft. If you use one of these services, simply select the corresponding button and follow the prompts. Keep in mind that Trello may require you to complete two-factor authentication for added security, so be ready to enter a verification code if prompted. Once you've completed any authentication steps, enter your password and click the Login button. After a brief moment, you'll be redirected to your Trello dashboard, where all your boards and projects are displayed. Now, turn your attention to the top right corner of the dashboard. You'll see your profile avatar there. This is usually an image or initial linked to your account. Click on your avatar to open a drop-down menu. From this menu, select Settings to access your account preferences. Once you're in the Settings menu, scroll down until you find the section labeled Email Notifications. This is where you can customize how often Trello sends you updates via email. Under this section, you'll see a drop-down menu labeled Email Frequency. Click on this menu, and you'll notice three different options to choose from. The first option is Instantly. If you select this, Trello will send you an email notification as soon as an event occurs, like an update to a board or a task assigned to you. This is ideal if you need real-time updates and want to stay immediately informed. The second option is Periodically. With this setting, Trello groups notifications together and sends them to you about once an hour. This is a great choice if you want regular updates but don't want your inbox flooded with individual emails. Lastly, there's the Never option. Selecting this will completely turn off email notifications from Trello. Choose this if you prefer to check updates directly within Trello without receiving any email reminders. Once you've decided which option works best for you, simply click on it to make your selection. Trello automatically saves your choice, so there's no need to manually confirm or apply the changes. And that's it. You've successfully customized your email notification frequency in Trello. Adjusting these settings can help you stay productive while keeping your inbox under control. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.